Hello and welcome to video 3 in a series of videos to demonstrate how to use the Fractal Trading Suite for Bloomberg. In the last video we left off with entry channels and stop loss channels. In this video what we are going to do is demonstrate the remaining price channels that are available to place directly on top of the price chart. After we conclude with this video, we will move on to the other oscillators in the suite. So the name of this particular indicator is the parametric channels. And what the parametric channels are a series of price channels that are very similar to the entry channel and to the stop loss channel. The difference is that they are automatically set to 1, 2, and 3 standard deviations. And again, the mean is used as a way of calculating those deviations, so we are talking about a forecasted parametric channel. It's predictive. So we can click on the checkbox and update, and we will see the parametric channels form around the price bars. So this is a quick way to gauge where your prices may fall in terms of the market while it's trading. And I'm going to zoom in so you can see this a little more clearly. And this should look familiar. So you can see here that we have the third standard deviation is the red bar, or red channel rather, and yellow is second and green is the first. So what you can do to quickly reference the price level for each one of the bars that you are on or you're interested in examining is go again to the legend, and you will see that for the innermost price channel we have 68.2% of the price action will fall, and currently the value or the price value at the existing bar is 91.56. For the second set of channels, we go to yellow here on the legend. Price channel 95.45%, which is the percentage of where prices will fall within that channel. And we see that that is the price is 91.56 on the high side, or excuse me, on the low side, and 91.64 on the high side. And then last we have the third standard deviation. 99.73% of the trades should fall within this channel, and we have on the low side 91.56 and on the high side 91.64. So in this case we have some overlap only because, as we see here on the chart, we have a bar that has where the open and high and the low and the close all converge at the same price. So let's once again take a look at a better example. So I'll go back to the previous bar, which has some range to it, and you can see here that now we have a better gauge of how this works. So the innermost price channel, we have prices at 91.49 and 91.78, and then the second tier price channel is 91.35 and 91.93, and the third and final price channel is 91.21 and 92.08. So you can expect to see those types of ranges typically on any given market, and this is a good quick way to plot ranges on your chart when maybe you don't have a lot of time to set up the entry channels or the stop loss channels. Another feature of this particular parametric channel is that it does act the same way that the entry channel did and the auto stop channel. And what I mean by that is that you can utilize the minimum ticks to enter trade variable, and you will see that at least for the innermost channel you can set a minimum distance from the mean. So for this case I'm going to again use a dramatic example of 200 ticks and click update, in which case you will see the innermost channel expand, which it did, and also it took with it the outer two channels, but you can see how that works. So going back to something a little more useful, say maybe 10 ticks again. We can see that we expanded that innermost channel, and it's giving us the range that we asked for from the mean. So now we can also plot the mean by simply going back down to plot mean checkbox, clicking on it, update, and we will see the mean plotted as well. And you see here that the gray line is the mean. So in a nutshell, that's the parametric channels and how it can be used with the mean. So this concludes video 3, and next videos will be about the various oscillators and other unique indicators that are found in the Fractal Suite. Thank you for your time and have a good day.